Hello everybody, it's Andrew here again, author of 500 social media marketing tips. Check out the link in the description to grab your copy today. This is just a quick video to let you know that I've created a free YouTube subscribe button for you to download and insert into your videos. It's nice and big and in the new style like this one, not the old yellow one like this, and I created it because I couldn't find one big enough to insert in my own videos. So when you download it and open it in Photoshop or GIMP, it will look like this, and you can use it to insert on your end screens or wherever you like in your videos, so people can hover over and click on it. Just visit the link in the description to get to this blog post and click on the minus.com link at the bottom, and when you're minus, hover over the image and download here. That's all for this time. I hope it helped. Don't forget to click subscribe for lots more social media marketing tips like this one, to give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and to check out the link to my book in the description below. Thanks very much for watching, and goodbye.